this is Katrina, and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a short demo of the GiGi Mini Pro Waxing Kit. I actually purchased this kit from Sally's, and this is what it looks like. And I got this kit because I am very interested in trying to do my own waxing at home. I will, however, add that I will not be doing my own Brazilians, but as far as my arms, underarms, and legs, like that is something that I would really like to get the hang of and to do myself. I just feel that you have better results with waxing versus shaving, in my opinion. So like I said, I got the Mini Pro Kit, and I didn't really want to use the cream wax that they have included in the box. When you use the strips, it's possible that you can take your skin with it. So I opted to go for the Nourishing Aloe Hard Wax Beads. It is actually the hard wax. This wax is infused with essential oils, and it says that this particular wax bead is ideal for sensitive skin. So this is what that looks like right here. So with the hard wax, all you have to do is just spread it on your skin, wait till it cools, and then rips it off. The hard wax actually pulls the hair and it doesn't pull the skin. So that is why I preferred to use, or that's why I preferred the hard wax over the soft wax. I also purchased 2 of the GiGi refill cans. They're actually empty, and they're actually for the hard wax beads. This is what they look like. And like I said, they come with a little top and it comes empty. And I got this empty wax can because the wax that actually comes in the kit is already in the little can, and I got the empty can so that I could put the beads in it, and I didn't want to, you know, like mix the waxes or anything. So yes, and so I just got an extra one, you know, just for future purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. And right off, this is how everything is packaged inside the box. So I'm going to first show you the little solutions that come into the kit. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the GiGi Post Wax Cooling Gel. It's the skin refresher, and it says that it contains aloe vera, cucumber, and menthol, and this is what it looks like here. The next item included is the pre-hone. This is the pre-wax cleanser, and this is what that looks like. Next is the Slow Grow with Argan Oil Hair Minimizer. Next is the Post Epilation Lotion. It's actually a skin moisturizer. That's what that looks like. And lastly is the wax off. This is the wax remover for the skin, and basically it will just get the leftover wax residue that's on your skin. And next is the actual strips and the little sticks. So they have some mini ones here. I guess you could use those for like eyebrows and maybe your lip. And then they have some of the long ones, basically probably for your arms and your legs. And they have the actual applicator sticks as well, and they have different sizes. These, of course, right here are the smaller ones, and the ones in the center are the larger ones. They also include the actual collars that you put around the warmer just to prevent any wax from getting on the actual warmer. You know, you want to keep things nice and neat. This is what they look like. And these right here, I think these are like little handles that you put on the side of the little can in order for you to lift it out of the warmer. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And lastly is the actual warmer itself. This is how it comes packaged. This is the actual lid here. And inside they already have the cream wax inside the warmer. What it looks like here. There. And this is the cream wax. It says it's for sensitive skin. And it also has the instructions right here on the top of the lid. This is what the actual warmer looks like. So I am basically just going to go ahead and try to put everything together so you guys can see how this is, you know, gonna work. Instruction manual, it says place the temperature setting on high for 15 minutes, remove the plastic cover to prevent it from melting, insert the can into the well of the warmer, leave the thermostat on high for an additional 25 minutes until a thin consistency is achieved, then turn dial to L for the rest of the day. It says remember to always place a GiGi clean collar around the rim prior to epilating to prevent dripping the wax onto the warmer. Alrighty, and basically this instruction manual like actually gives you instructions on how to wax the different parts of your body. Like it is very, very detailed. So if you are interested in doing the at-home waxing yourself, this is definitely a good little pro kit to start out with. So as you could see, it was really easy for me to pull that wax off once I got that little edge on there thick enough for me to actually lift it up. I will say that I do need to work on my technique, but I definitely feel like this is something that I can do for myself in the future. Comment down below if you've ever done waxing at home and you know what your thoughts were about it. But yeah, I'll have everything linked in the description box below of what I purchased from Sally's. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.